Speaker sir, operation is relating to the Tourism Promotion Management and Regulation Act. Speaker sir, police water agadista je tourism numbers, if you see, basically seem to be dropping, especially and tourism department is the only department that is the mainstay economy of the state today after the failure of agriculture and mining. That's because there are several issues. Police water amka jenna apoille ek letter illi several all the MLAs were called for a meeting when suggestions were still on from the people. I will not go on that aspect, but I would congratulate you by sending the bill to the public first. This is the prata aspak jai. जे बिल पढ़ाते हैं काल गाइले आज येता लोकां भी व्यू घेना but you have to lead by example. That is the part that I congratulate you. That's because there are several parts. For instance, with regards to sustainable fee of the incoming tourist, this is basically not on the
Speaker sir, point of order. Speaker sir, bill discussion aganga yona. When introduced jauna bill, he cannot discuss on the bill which has not been introduced. The intent kide asa, taja khati reasoning kide asa. You can ask me questions. But since I have not bought the bill here,
I will
don't ask me questions which are pertaining to the bill.
Whatever reply I have based on what expenses you have done, I am coming on that. Speaker sir, there were several issues with regards to this. Goa Tourism Policy 2020. In 2020, there was a saying that independent tourism body astali. Largely it was dominated by stakeholders and not the government. But if you look at the representatives, and it is said that it looks more than a bureaucratic rather than professionals. Member Secretary, CEO, these are not government appointees. Anik, you have tied, it should not be that they are all the members within your, whatever is proposed, Speaker sir, would be the apron or the strings of the minister. Ada, Speaker sir, zaiti charcha jata. Aaj police department basically cannot handle the load. But whether getting into a parallel tourism safety force, whether this is the answer, because already there is a tourist police muahai. Whether getting this thing, finally the police will shake hands off with tourism locations, and this tourism safety force would be the real end of tourism. Ada, Speaker sir, coming to the point. Now, I have been given to understand in the annexures that you have given to us, कि पहिले स्वातेर ये tourism policy जी पहिले केल्ली 2020 तेज तू विरोध आल्लो. I got a verbatim. Ada Karnataka jay munis oile. Ada now with this particular thing, clear Center for Law, Entrepreneurship and Action Research of Nalsar, meaning National Academy of Legal Studies and Research School, University, Hyderabad. They are the people, Speaker sir, who basically has looked at this particular aspect of the new tourism thing that you plan to propose. And Speaker sir, an amount of 1,37 lakhs in 2 phases are built. You build the answers, if you look, Speaker sir, they are built in 2 phases.
Speaker sir, ताका इतली full सारांश सांगला पहिलो प्रश्न विचार ताका point to point let him ask me. येदे वडले करतो आणि प्रश्न
opposition leader तुम्ही
प्रश्न विचार मरे.
This is pertaining to that only, no?
प्रश्न विचारते.
You started from tourism count, you went somewhere else.
We have to start.
Ask one question, no? You can ask 6 questions.
एक मिनिट
Because sir, आता jenna when we look at this, because sir,
opposition leader तुमका उत्तर दिले असा त्या संदर्भात थोडेसे ब्रीफ यादे वडले भाषण करून ते प्रश्न विचारणे का
भाषण नाही केलं आहे भाषण
नाही विचार म्हणता उल्लेख करना डेली तुम्ही यादो संदर्भ दिता
प्रश्न उत्तर आज निमांड दिस मरे सारखी तरी उलोइन दिस बिकॉज सर याज मुखार उलोवपा
प्रश्न विचार
बरे आता बिकॉज सर माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट criteria your department or the center of Naslar Law School University, basically it's a law school university, was chosen to draft the tourism promotion and management bill. What was the criteria? did the tourism ministry verify their past experience? If any of the center has drafted a bill on tourism related bill in the past, I again understand, Jay, from the annexures that I've seen, that the choice of this particular thing was made on nomination basis, single source selection. So what is the source of this selection and nomination? Anik, what, you followed the question.
स्पीकर सर, आमचे ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान प्रश्न शेवटी नालसराचेर विचारला, बट बिफोर दॅट आय वूड लायक टू क्लॅरिफाय हीज ओन डाउट्स विच ही इज हॅव्हिंग. स्पीकर सर, एक वाटेन ताणें सुरवात करता आसतना नंबर्स आर ड्रॉपिंग जेन्ना म्हणलें, नंबर्स आर नॉट ड्रॉपिंग, बट इन द हिनसायड ऑफ इट दॅट ही हॅज दॅट फियर एंड एंग्जायटी एज ऑल ऑफ अस एज स्टेक होल्डर्स हॅव. आमच्या डिमांडा वेळार टुरिजमाचेर सगळ्यांनी आपापले विचार मांडले. कोणें सांगलें इलिगल टाउट चल्ल्या, कोणें सांगलें धंदे चल्ले तुमी एक्शन घेना, कोणें म्हणलें की रस्त्यार कोण जेवण करता तुमी कांय एक्शन घेना. स्पीकर सर, टुरिजम इज नॉट ओन्ली अ डिपार्टमेंट, आनी गोंया खातीर मायनिंगाक जेन्ना आशिल्ली तेन्ना मायनिंग आशिल्ली, आज टुरिजम इज अ इकॉनॉमी. आनी टुरिजम इकॉनॉमी म्हणटकर वी नीड टू एन्श्युअर दॅट एवरीथींग अराउंड इट इज टेकन केअर ऑफ. स्पीकर सर, आमचे हांगा आयच्या तारखेन कोविडाच्या मागीर जेन्ना वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग डिफरंटली, वी रियलायज दॅट इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस वी नीड टू बी देर वेर द वर्ल्ड इज रिचींग एज फार एज टुरिजम इज कन्सर्न. आयच्या तारखेन स्पीकर सर, आमचे कडेन दोनूच लेजिस्लेशन्स आसा. The Goa Daman and Diu Registration of Tourist Trade Act 1982, which provides for registration of people, persons, trades dealing with tourist activities and for matters concerned with therewith. And dusra asa Speaker sir, the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, which deals with protection and maintenance of the tourist places as notified from by the government from time to time. हे दोन सोडले स्पीकर सर जाल्यार आमचे कडेन एक्ट हातान ना. आतां स्पीकर सर, ओवर द इयर्स with so many advances which have happened in terms of technology, emergencies of new law, procedures, it is time, Speaker sir, that with these changing concepts and tourism practices, these acts have almost become obsolete. And that is why, Speaker sir, since they are not in consonance with the changing times, it is time for us to look at the current drawbacks in the current legislations. Speaker sir, आयच्या तारखेन current legislation जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा, ताका कोण ना. आम्ही समज मेल प्रॅक्टिसीस घेतले, इलिगल टाउट्स तुमीच म्हणटात, एक्शन घेतले, कायदो दुरुस्त केल्लो ना. स्पीकर सर, इलिगलिटी ज्यो जाल्यो त्यो टायम बाउंड आमी एक्शन घेवंक शकना. प्रोविजन्स आसा ते इनएडिक्वेट आसा, आनी ताजे खातीर टुरिजम सेक्टरा प्रमाणे आमकां करतले वाड जाल्यार हें बील हाडपाची गरज आसा. स्पीकर सर, ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस आमी हाडलें खरें, पूण ईज ऑफ बिजनेस हाडटकर मॅन्डेटरी कंडिशन जे थोडे आसा एक्टांनी ते आमकां थोडे चेंज करपाची गरज आसा. Tourist Places Maintenance and Protection Act 2001 was focused main on the nuisances, म्हणजे कोणे त्रास केलो जाल्यार स्पीकर सर, which amendment we did somewhere in 2022. तातूंत स्पीकर सर कितें केलें, जितले प्रॉब्लेम्स आसाले, प्रोहिबिशन्स जे आसा, एक मिनिट, let me complete. You have
I am asking you specifically on, I am asking you specifically on Nalsar.
I am on my feet.
Yeah, but you speak on Nalsar.
You came with a story, I am coming with the answer to your story.
पोझिशन
I'm coming to Nalsar.
प्रश्न आन्सर
Speaker sir,
आन्सर द्या.
स्पीकर सर, ताणें जो सारांश मांडला, बिल नालसरा कडेन कशें आयलें आनी कित्याक आयलें तें येता न्ही, ताका मातसो पासियन्स घेवनी. स्पीकर सर, ताज्या खातीर युटिलायझेशन आमी कशें करप आनी ताज्या खातीर जो मेंटेनन्स एक्ट आसा ताज्या पेक्षा आमी प्रिजर्वेशन आनी मेंटेनन्सार कशें वचप ह्या खातीर एक्टाची दुरुस्ती गरज आसा. ह्या एक्टान स्पीकर सर, when we talk about a unique culture, heritage, cuisine, we do not have anything that we can do to support these activities. Speaker sir, नवे टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज सुरू जाल्यो खऱ्यो, पूण नवे टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज तांकां प्रोविजन ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन विथ डिपार्टमेंट टुरिजम ना. ताज्या खातीर मॉनिटरींग आनी सर्वीस स्टँडर्डायझेशन आमचे कडेन जायना. आतां ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली जातकच स्पीकर सर, त्या टुरिजम पॉलिसी प्रमाणे 2021 नोव्हेंबर 2021 दे गोवा टुरिजम बोर्ड, which he said is only of government. Speaker sir, I would like to clarify one part, that Goa Tourism Board, where chairman is Honorable CM, constitutes of equal members of the government and the industry. Industryचे स राव मरे, येता मरे, इंडस्ट्रीचे स राव मरे, इंडस्ट्रीचे स मेंबर स्पीकर सर, आणि एक्सपर्ट्स, इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट 4 असे 10 जाण ते, आणि आमचे 10 जाण म्हणून, आणि CM ही हेड सीट 21 मेंबराची कमिटी आसा, with which गोवा टुरिझम बोर्डाच्या मागीर एम्पावर्ड कमिटीज आसा 4. अगेन हॅव्हिंग इक्वल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री अँड गव्हर्नमेंट. आतां येता स्पीकर सर नालसराचेर. स्पीकर सर ताणें पयलो म्हणलो ताणें शब्द की वी आर स्पेंडिंग 1.37
I
crores.
said it is built. Check my
Speaker
words.
sir, the
I
whole
said they have
estimate.
built.
राव मरे.
I said it is
Speaker sir,
built. Spending
ताणें
म्हणला.
उलयलो म्हाका उलोवंक दिनी मागीर तूं उलय मरे. लेट मी टॉक. 1.37 crore म्हणलो. स्पीकर सर 2021 जेन्ना हे विशय सुरू जाले तेन्ना ही युनिव्हर्सिटी हू हॅज ऑलरेडी गॉट द एक्सपर्टीज ऑफ डुईंग सेंट्रलायज लॉज पूर्ण देशान स्पीकर सर 3च आमच्यो एजन्सीज आसा लायक दीस 3 or 4 युनिव्हर्सिटीज हू आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन ड्राफ्टिंग सच लॉज. When Nalsar came and met the tourism secretary then in 2021, the whole proposal was, Speaker sir, to study Goa Daman and Diu Registration Tourist Trade Act, Goa Registration of Tourist Trade Amendment Act 2019, the Registration of Tourist Trade Rules 85 and form thereunder, 2021 Amendment to Goa Daman and Diu Registration of Tourist Trade Act Rules 1985 and corrigendum to the same, the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, the Tourism Check Policy 19 to 22, Water Sports Policy 2012 to 2013, Tourism Policy 2021 आणि गोवा बोट राईड्स अँड वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीज 2003 तुझ्या एनेक्शनान दिला. हे सगळे जे गॅप्स आयडेंटिफाय केले स्पीकर सर ताज्या खातीर वी निडेड अ एजन्सी टू कम ऑन बोर्ड अँड डू अ लेजिस्लेटिव्ह ड्राफ्टिंग. जेन्ना विषय आमी लॉ डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन घेतलो, लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान सांगलें ड्राफ्टिंग दे वील नॉट डू द लॉ, लेट देम कम विथ अ रिपोर्ट. आता युनिव्हर्सिटीज विच आर स्पेशलायज्ड इन दीस जॉब स्पीकर सर तातूंत आमच्या नालसरान मर्चंट शिपिंग बिल 2021 तांणी ऑलरेडी केला सेंटराचे. अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर स्पीकर सर तांकां ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टर ऑफ शिपिंग गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली पोर्ट्स बिलाक तांणी ड्राफ्ट केल्ले आसा. मरीन एड टू नॅव्हिगेशन एक्ट 2021 आणि सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन तांणी केल्लें आसा. दीस आर एक्सपर्ट्स अँड इट इज अ युनिव्हर्सिटी. It is a university which is only having law as a part and doing services to states and center. This is one of them specialized in these activities. Jenna te Goya yon tanga ye dile speaker sir and they gave us the whole part of it. That is the time we went for nomination purpose. Nomination karta asana 1.37 crores ni. It is just 35 lakhs of the whole thing. Tatun 35 lakhs speaker sir. Tajo breakup tuka dita hu. 8 लाख ताणें ऑपॅक्स म्हणजे येवपाचे सिटींग फीस ते सेपरेट दवरल्या.
हांव दुसरें विचारता स्पीकर सर.
ना 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 यू वील गेट आन्सर टू युअर थिंग्स. तू 1.37 crores म्हणलें पळय.
तूं जितले एका 4-5 प्रश्न विचारता तो आन्सर
आमचे इतले जाता. हांवें इतले इंचारला तो इतले उलयता.
स्पीकर सर ताणें जो प्रश्न विचारला ताचें उत्तर दिता.
मातशें 1 मिनट. I will place here that what I
Speaker
said
sir, so
1.37 lakhs.
phase 1 was 35 lakhs plus taxes.
And then what was phase 2?
Speaker sir, phase 1 was 35 lakhs plus taxes amounting to 41 lakhs.
Okay.
And plus 8 lakhs plus 8 lakhs of operational expenses. Phase 2 Speaker sir, अजून पर्यंत फायनान्शियल कोड घेवकूय ना, फायनान्शियल आमी फायनलायज करूना.
Phase 2 I have with me in your annexure. It says
Speaker sir.
91 lakhs. I'll give it
Speaker
place it here.
sir, phase 1 makes this tourism bill come in the house. Phase 2 talks about only drafting of the rules.
Speaker
and any
sir,
amendment to the
okay,
rule
boss.
with the type of rule which is concerned, Speaker sir,
Yes,
taka
okay.
2.8 lakhs to 4.8 lakhs per amendment of the rule
Yes,
is the
okay.
amount which we are supposed to pay.
दुसरा प्रश्न विचार तुझो. सेकंड सब क्वेश्चन विचार.
What is it? Where did you get the figure for 1.37 lakhs?
Boss Ray, I will give you the figure. I have it here. Speaker sir.
एक लक्षात तू एका प्रश्नात जर 10 प्रश्न विचारले जर जात नाही ताका उत्तर दिले
सारखे हे कोण माता सारखं फार.
येस.
एक प्रश्न विचार एक उत्तर 10 प्रश्न
पॉइंटाचे
विचार, 10
माता.
उत्तर येतात.
आता you just said that they are specialized people, Naslar, whatever agents. Nalsar.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And
विचार
clear-
विचार
clear.
प्रश्न विचार.
उलोवपाक दिना तू.
उलय
चार उतरापासून
उलय
उलोवपाक
म्हणते तुम्ही बेश्टी उलयतात.
बेस्ट उलयना.
प्रश्न विचार तुमकां.
सर आता तेणे सांगिल्लें की दे आर स्पेशलिस्ट एंड वॉट एवर. I am trying to tell the honorable minister, जे पयली सुवातेर I would like to correct. Phase 2 of yours was basically 91 lakhs. It is proposed, and phase 1 is 41 lakhs. Anda, this is your reply that I have. तू पड सांगता if Speaker sir, I have annexure D. Annexure D, page 8-9 in the 93rd meeting of Goa Tourism Board. या मिटिंगेक स्पीकर सर 15 डिसेंबर 2022 इफ यू लुक एट द मिनट्स हे रिप्लाय आमकां कालो दिले पण हांवें रात आचिलां कितें आचिल तें सांगत तुका I quote from the minutes. The minute says, drafting of acts or laws cannot be outsourced to external private agency. This particular was in your department. Yes, yeah. This is what you are saying that your law put in draft, but your department has told you. Ek minute, boss. Mache boss. Speaker sir, my question is, why was the drafting of this law or bill was outsourced due to this agency, despite Goa Tourism Boardan je dille contrary dille and to ilyar I'll read it. It is said when the proposal was referred to government for consideration, it was opined that drafting of act and laws cannot be outsourced to any external private legal agency. This is part of your annexure. So you are saying they are specialists, but the department itself said that they are not. They are from Hyderabad. 1 second. They must be into drafting merchant bills and whatever. In the past, inga bill पडाहल्ले because sir, Karnatakaच्या मुनशान गोंयच bill draft केलं tourism policy 2020 and it had is miserably failed.
Because sir, 2 मिनिटं उरल्या तो उलयत रावतलो का हांव उलो
ओय रे बाबा हांव मातशे बोस रे
चाल मरे प्रश्न.
किती डिस्टर्ब
तुझा
करतो
प्रश्न विचार म्हणे तुका
2 मिनिटं उरल्या पगा कितें प्रश्न विचार रामायण महाभारत सांगच्या पेक्षा प्रश्न विचार
रामायण रे हांवें तुका सारकी हेजे
प्रश्न
माल
विचार.
मारले
म्हणून सांगलं तुका प्रश्न विचार म्हणे तुका.
Speaker sir, चोयल्यार हिंगा I believe you have used the word in your thing that they are taken for legislative research, policy assistance, for updating and consolidating legislative framework. This, Speaker sir, intun sarke clear cut. It is absolutely clear cut that when the tourism department itself had said that you cannot get them on board. Number one, Speaker sir, you are playing just with these words. Goa's
Speaker
tourism
sir,
bill.
point of order. Tourism boardan सांगू ना लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान सांगिल्लें.
Speaker
Check कर.
sir.
Noting check कर.
Speaker sir, it discuss जाल्ले tourism department a meeting एक.
Speaker sir,
Speaker sir,
Nalsar was approved from Goa Tourism Board itself.
Speaker sir,
in 2021
agenda पढ़ा is for
2021 नोव्हेंबराची काळ आणि पळय.
अरे when law said no, how did you take it then?
Yes, sir.
Speaker
तुझा
sir,
स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचार पहिले.
specialist तुगे मुनशा हाडू सोदता.
म्हाका संवय जाल्या.
Speaker sir, सोय
Speaker
कोणा
sir,
जाल्या? एका सोय जाल्या गोल गोल.
डोंगराच्या हातूंतल्यान हुनीर सोदपाची जाल्यार संवय हाका.
मंत्री बस बसून घ्या.
डोंगर पोखरून हुनीर सोदपाची संवय जाल्यार लिडर ऑपोजिशन.
आमकां
मंत्री
उत्तर दिवपाक जाय.
Speaker sir,
तुझा प्रश्न विचार पहिले.
म्हजो एक सिंपल प्रश्न
कितें आसा?
सर.
ते बसोय. Speaker sir, ते बसोय.
आणि
मातशे बस.
2 मिनिटं उरल्या लेट मी रिप्लाय टू यू कितें उरलेला.
Speaker sir,
तुझा स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न किती असा?
specific question, agenda for the third meeting of the Goa Tourism Board held on 15 December 2022 at 11 a.m. Speaker sir, एजेर जरी तो चोयल्यार
प्रश्न किती असा? वेळ संभर
प्रश्न स्पीकर सर कितें फगडा झालेले
प्रश्न विचार
स्पीकर सर
उत्तर दिवपासाठी.
स्पीकर सर ताजो प्रश्न सादो आसा.
सर agenda number 8
सर आय ऑन माय फीट तुवें सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे हांव
agenda
म्हाका
number
रिप्लाय
8 ओ कित गुणायता मातशे राव
Speaker sir,
प्रश्न हा
Speaker sir,
स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचार ना.
Speaker sir,
drafting of a
every
new
department
consolidated
has its
when
own
the tourism department itself has said that the proposal was referred to the government for consideration and it was opined that drafting of
Speaker sir, 1
laws
मिनिट उरला
बसून
कितें
घे.
भाशणां वाचता.
cannot be
Speaker sir, allow me to express. Allow me to express.
प्रश्न कळलो तुका?
कळलो ताका बसून सांग. ताका बसून सांग.
प्रश्न कळलो
10 सेकंड उरल्या.
आज
Speaker sir, Speaker sir.
हिंगा आज टुरिझम
Speaker
डिपार्टमेंटाच्या
sir.
नावान
म्हाका दिसता जो मनीस घोस्ट म्हणटा स्वता घोस्ट जावपाक पावला.
आणि सदस्य
आज हैदराबादाचे मनीस हाडे हे मनीस हिंगा कितें
Speaker sir.
पक्ष नेते
व्हॉट इज देयर
Speaker sir, yes, by the way.
प्रश्न उत्तर द्या.
प्रश्न
उत्तर द्या.
डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना कामां आसता
तो
सेंटर
गुंडायता.
असू स्टेट
Basically,
मिक्सी
बसून
मॉडेलाचेर वी आर
तो
एबल टू पुट
basically
कन्सल्टन्सी इन प्लेस
basically
वी हॅव द मॅन्डेट टू पुट कन्सल्टन्सी इन प्लेस
ते आन्सर नाका स्पीकर
Speaker sir.
सर
सर आम्ही एक्सपर्ट घेतलो
प्रश्न
रिपोर्ट
विचारपाचो
तयार
प्रश्न
करता
ऐकून
कायदो
घेवपाचो ना.
नाही
प्रश्न किती
रिपोर्ट तयार करून लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान भेट केला
प्रश्न घालना सोपता. श्री प्रेमेन शेठ
किती स्पीकर सर
जिरोवर
व्हॉट आर यू टॉकिंग
प्रेमेन शेठ
when
अरे
your
व्हॉट
department
स्पीकर सर
when your department
जेन्ना आम्ही
itself
जेन्ना
then
प्रश्न घालना जोगीना बसून घ्या.
said here in your
प्रश्न घालना सोपता.
Where is the question?
not allowed
आणि मंत्री
you have said your
शीत
department
महत्वाची परत विचार
प्रश्न घालना सोपता.
ऑल फॉर हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन
प्रेमेन
विचार
शेठ प्रेमेन शेठ
स्पीकर सर
अरे बाबा शिकोन येले आम्ही तुम चड शिकोन ना
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH